good stranger. You've made it this far. Now, the storytelling begins. 3 songs, 1 tale. And in the end, it finds you. So light a candle and sit where the fire can see you. This is Chapter 6, The Tale of the Fortune Teller.
Come closer, good stranger. Sit where the fire can see you. I remember this story. Or maybe it was me. Nutrezi lupul. Do not wake the wolf. I was young when the mirror called me. Silver eye and candle flame. It showed me roads of gold and hunger. It whispered softly, speak my name. The cards fell black upon the table. The raven knocked against the door. I saw a crown made out of ashes and blood-red roses on the floor. This is the tale of the fortune teller. She saw the storm before it came. She read the smoke, she heard the warning, but still she walked into the flame. Fire in her eyes, smoke upon her name. Not every angel comes from sky. A stranger came with rings of silver. He said the stars had sent his hand, but shadows moved beneath his laughter and left no footprints in the sand. He offered doors that opened easy. He offered names I should not speak. I touched the coin and saw the ending, a golden chain around the weak. She kept one secret in her hand. may sleep inside the doorway, but fire still knows where I stand. She lost the rope, but not her sight. She fed the curse into the fire and changed her fate that very night. Nutrezi lupul. The wolf remembers. Noaptea știe. The night knows. I remember this story. Or maybe it was me.